In this video, I'll show you how you can tag someone on LinkedIn. So firstly, you need to have some kind of media. So for example, photo, and then you are going to be able to tag someone. So then just click on start a post and upload your media. So I'm gonna just quickly upload my ChatGPT logo. So this one, and then you will see this icon tag. So click on it. And from here, you can basically search, for example, for OpenAI company, or you can just search for someone. So as you can see, you can also search for some exact person or just basically company. So let's say I'm going to choose OpenAI, click on it, and this is how it's going to look. So this is the tag, OpenAI, click add. Now the tag is added. You can see this number 1 here. Then just click next, and you can add your description about this post. So let's say, I don't know, ChatGPT, then just click post. And now, as you can see, there is this tag with OpenAI. So this is how you can tag someone on LinkedIn. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.